Look, we've all been there, lugging a clunky, heavy chair across burning sand only for it to pinch your fingers or collapse the second you sit down. It ruins the vibe. I wanted to find the absolute best beach chair for this summer, so I grabbed the 5 most popular models on the market and spent the last few weeks actually using them. Here's what's worth your cash.
Product number 1, Canopies 2-pack lightweight backpack chair. When I first pulled these Canopies chairs out of the box, the ocean striped pattern really popped. But what actually impressed me was the weight. At 9 pounds, carrying these from the parking lot to the water was a breeze. They use alloy steel, so they feel solid under you, not like those flimsy grocery store chairs that bend if you sneeze on them. What I love most is the storage setup. There's a zipper pouch on the back that's actually big enough for a decent-sized book and some sunscreen, plus a side pocket for my phone. When I tested the 5 recline positions, the transition was smooth. I didn't feel like I was going to lose a finger in the hinge, which is a huge plus. The lay flat option is great for a quick nap, though since they're lower to the ground, getting back up requires a little bit of effort if you've been lounging for hours. The fabric is 600D Oxford, and I noticed it dried out really fast after I sat down in wet trunks. It's rated for 500 pounds, which is wild for a portable chair, and while I'm nowhere near that, it felt incredibly stable and wide enough that I wasn't feeling pinched at the hips. If you're looking for a solid value set for you and a partner, this 2-pack is a no-brainer. It covers all the basics without overcomplicating things.
Product number 2, Tommy Bahama Classic Lay Flat Backpack Chair. Now, if you've been to any beach in the last decade, you've seen this Tommy Bahama chair. Holding it, you can tell why it's the standard. The aluminum frame makes it feel much lighter than the steel options, and it won't rust after 1 season of salt air exposure. My favorite feature during my testing, if you can call nabbing testing, was the insulated cooler pouch on the back. I crammed about 6 cans in there with a small ice pack, and they stayed cold for 4 hours under the direct sun. It even has a built-in bottle opener, so I wasn't digging through my bag for one. The Safe Adjust tech on the armrests is the real deal. You can click through the 5 positions without any fear of the frame snapping shut on your hands. The padded backpack straps are actually comfortable too. Some brands use thin webbing that digs into your shoulders, but these felt fine even with the cooler fully loaded. It also has a towel bar on the back, which is surprisingly handy for drying out your gear while you sit. It's the quintessential beach chair. If you want the classic experience with a cooler built right in, this is the one you get. It's reliable, looks great in those red, white, and blue stripes, and just works every single time you unfold it.
Product number 3, Tommy Bahama High Boy 17-inch Lace-Up Chair. This next one is for anyone who hates struggling to get out of a low chair. The High Boy sits 17 inches off the ground, and let me tell you, my knees thanked me. It feels more like sitting in a real chair than a beach lounger. The lace-up suspension is what caught my eye. It's got these elastic cords on the sides that flex when you sit down. It feels like a hammock for your butt. I spent a whole afternoon in this one, and the airflow is fantastic. Since it's taller, you get a better breeze underneath you. The armrests are finished wood, which feels much more premium than plastic, and they stayed cool even after sitting in the sun all day. It only has 4 recline positions instead of 5, and it doesn't lay completely flat because of the height, but for reading or watching the waves, it's actually better. The storage is still there, zippered pouch, cup holder, and a phone slot, but the real draw is that height. If you have any back issues or just prefer not to be eye level with the sand crabs, this 2-pack is the upgrade you need. It's still lightweight at 9 pounds, and the backpack straps make it just as portable as the shorter versions. It's the luxury pick for people who prioritize ease of movement and long-term comfort over tanning flat on their back.
Product number 4, King Camp Low Beach Chair with High Back. The King Camp is a bit of a different beast. It's a folding style rather than a flat fold, so it packs into a carry bag like a traditional camping chair. When I first sat in it, the Ergo Breeze mesh back was an immediate win. It was a 90-degree day, and I didn't end up with a sweaty back because the air flows right through the fabric. It's got a very low slung seat, so you can really stretch your legs out into the sand. The high back is the standout here. It actually supports your head and neck, which most beach chairs totally ignore. I noticed the frame feels incredibly beefy. They used steel and a cross-triangle design that makes it feel like it could survive a hurricane. It's rated for 300 pounds, and it doesn't wiggle or creak when you shift around. One clever touch is the pillow sleeve at the top. You can stuff your towel or a spare shirt into it to create a custom headrest. While it doesn't recline, the natural angle is perfect for just chilling. It's the lightest one I tested at only 7 pounds, and because it folds into a tube shape, it's much easier to pack into a crowded trunk than the flat backpack styles. If you're tight on car space but want a chair that actually supports your upper back, this King Camp is a fantastic choice.
Product number 5, Ostrich Heavy Duty Backpacker. Okay, the Ostrich is the one that always gets questions from people walking by. Why? Because it has a hole in the middle of the headrest. I know it looks weird, but after lying face down to tan my back without feeling like I was suffocating, I'm a believer. It has arm slots too, so you can actually hold a book or scroll on your phone while lying on your stomach. This thing is huge compared to the others. It's wider and feels very heavy duty. The 325-pound capacity feels honest because the steel frame is thick. The bury your head padded hole is surprisingly comfy, and there's a pillow flap that covers it when you want to sit upright. It's a bit more mechanical than the other chairs, but for someone who spends half their beach day tanning their back, it's a total lifesaver for your neck. It still has the backpack straps, which is necessary because it is a bit bulkier to carry. I found the side cup holders stayed upright even when the chair was adjusted, so no spilled drinks. This is the specialist chair. If you're the type of person who stays at the beach from sunrise to sunset and wants to be able to nap comfortably in any position, the Ostrich is worth the extra space it takes up. It's built like a tank and solves the face in the sand problem perfectly.